Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Intake. Intake means amount of substance taken into body. For example, your daily intake of calories. Your daily intake of calories. Synonyms: batch, lot, assortment.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. Change the quality and amount of your food intake. Now, repeat after me. Change the quality and amount of your food intake. The second exempli. Control your calorie intake to prevent excessive weight gain. Now, repeat after me. Control your calorie intake to prevent excessive weight gain. The third exempli. Participants monitor their activity and their food intake throughout the program. Now, repeat after me. Participants monitor their activity and their food intake throughout the program.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word checkmate in chess comes from the Persian phrase Shah mat, meaning the king is helpless.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.